Hello, and welcome to this lecture. It's going to be a short one, and we're going to be talking about organ systems. So, we're just going to do a quick review of the organ systems that are in the body. So, let me go ahead and let's title our lecture, and that's going to be Organ Systems of the Human Body. Okay? Organ systems of the human body. And there will be 11 systems altogether. And what I want you to know for those 11 systems is, first of all, know what they are. And secondly, know how they contribute to homeostasis. Okay. So just know what each 11 systems, what their titled are, what they are, and then know in not detail, but in a general way, how they contribute to homeostasis. Most of these we're not going to talk about in a detailed way in this course. There are some, but not very many, to be honest. Most of them will come in 40B and 40C. So let's begin, and we'll begin right here with the system that you see. Hang on, let me pull this back here. Okay. So the first system that your textbook lists, and this is on in chapter 1 and page 4, and there is all list and a short description of what they do. Now, your textbook is using the word function, and when I want you when you see that word, what I want you to do is to translate that into how this system operates to maintain homeostasis in the human body. So let's begin with the integumentary system. And as you can see, the integumentary system does a number of things. It protects the body. It helps regulate body temperature. It eliminates waste and helps in the formation of vitamin D and detects sensations. It also stores fat and provides insulation. Now, this is one of the systems that we will cover in this course. We'll talk about this in more detail as the lectures continue. The next system is the skeletal system, and this system we will also cover in this 40A class. And as you can see, it does a number of things. So it supports, it protects, and provides the surface area for muscle attachment, aids in movement, and houses cells, so blood cell production, and stores minerals and lipids. So that's what the skeletal system is all about. The next system is the muscular system. This one we'll also cover in 40A. And when we're talking about muscular system, we're not just confining our conversation to the skeletal muscle system. Part of this system is smooth muscle and cardiac muscle. So as you can see, this is going to participate in body movements, maintains body posture, produces heat. Okay. So this is the muscular system. The next system is the nervous system. And this is one of the command and control systems that you'll be looking at in 40B. And if your instructor follows the normal pattern, this is probably the first chapter that you will look at, is the nervous tissue. And as you can see, it's going to regulate body activities. Okay. Next is going to be the endocrine system. This is also another command and control system that we find in the human body. And as you can see, it regulates body activities. But in this case, it does so through hormones. So the nervous system is going to regulate body by sending out electrical impulses, nerve impulses. This one is going to use hormones, and that's, again, command and control. The next system on the list is the cardiovascular system. And the cardiovascular system is designed to deliver oxygen to blood and to remove carbon dioxide from the blood. It's also involved in defense against diseases. Okay. So that is the cardiovascular system. The next system is the lymphatic system. And this system is closely connected to the cardiovascular system, and its job is to return proteins and fluids to the blood, as well as it's involved in protection from microbes. The next system is the respiratory system, and this system is involved in transferring oxygen to the blood and removing carbon dioxide from the blood. Now, this system is not the same thing as the cardiovascular system, which most of you can grasp, I'm pretty sure. However, there is confusion in students' mind often as to what the functions of these two systems are. So the cardiovascular system is taking oxygen and carbon dioxide from the lungs and delivering it to your body tissues. The respiratory system is delivering oxygen to the blood and taking away carbon dioxide from the blood. So once that material is in the blood, then the cardiovascular system takes over and transfers it to your body tissues, or takes it away from your body tissues. The next system is the digestive system. And the digestive system, of course, is involved in the physical breakdown of your food and the absorption of nutrients. So this system you're going to cover in 40C. The urinary system is involved in the elimination of waste, regulates fluid volume in your body, chemical composition of your body, and also regulates acid base. So it does quite a bit, and this one you'll also get covered in 40C. The final system is the reproductive system, and this system is all about reproducing a new individual. It's the only organ system in your body that you can do without and still survive as an individual. So this system is not necessary for your individual survival, but for the reproduction of a new species, so the survival of our species. And that's it, a very quick introduction to the organ systems. That's all I really want you to know about that. And thank you for joining me once again, and I will see you in the very next lecture.